Here's how to erase background noise from videos using AI Audio Eraser on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, and S26. If you want to remove background noise, audio noise, from any Samsung device, there are a few built-in and smart ways, depending on what you're editing, video, or voice recording. Remove background noise from video on Samsung phone. Open Gallery. Select the video you want to remove the unnecessary background sound. Tap Edit, pencil icon. Tap on Audio Tools in the last. Tap Audio Eraser or Noise Reduction. Adjust sliders to reduce background noise and enhance voice. Set the audio for music, nature, or noise. You can manually adjust the video sounds or tap Auto. Tap the Apply Edits button. Tap Save Copy in the top right corner. And that's it. Play the video to see how to reduce background noise on your Samsung Galaxy S26 and other latest One UI devices.